Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all. Today we are from Hotfix Group. We'll present to you our hardware presentation for KKKL 3234 system design. So this is our hardware. So you can see there is a Raspberry Pi, and this under this is a lamp, so it will indicate the washing machine. And inside the box, inside the casing, we have a switch relay, 4 switch relay and 4 mentol. So now we will proceed to our apps. So the interface of the apps is basically like this. So you can see there is a login Swarm 300 tab, location, QR scanner and start washing. So now my friend will start to log in to see the function of these apps. Okay. Now the user will start to log in to the account, such as this username is Alia, and it will enter the password and will log in. So from this account, you can see there is details of the apps and the system itself. So now we will back to our to see others tab. Okay, this indicate the user ID and the username to check and the credit left. Okay, now we will go to the available location so that the user will know the location of the washing machine. So when the location tab is pressed, it will show the maps of the National University of Malaysia, and we can see in this university there were several places that we will show the location of the washing machine. Now we will start to see the QR scanner. Okay. This QR scanner will show the details of the washing machine. This is a washing machine 1. Okay, so when the user take the QR scanner, it will show the detail of the washing machine. This is the washing machine A, and it show that it's a correct washing machine. Okay, now we will go to the start washing function. We can see start. So basically when the start washing is pressed, it will turn on the lamp